Can't rely on micro SD cards anymore. Gotta find a way to keep my storage game up. Let's go. What's going on YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Um, got a problem, got a dilemma, got a flash drive, 64 gigs, USB 3.0, a lot of good movies on here. Um, I don't have the movie saved to my Note because this is Note 5. It's only 32 gigs, no expandable memory. My flash drive does have a micro USB connection, but I got this damn OtterBox on. So in this situation, I got to take my whole OtterBox off to hook this flash drive to my phone so I could watch these movies. But luckily, I found something just for a situation like this. So the answer to that is what we have here: the micro USB connector from Samsung, which basically turns your micro USB port and adapts it to a flash drive, a regular USB. As you can see, I take my Note, and now that I have this like also a dongle type situation, I could plug this into my Note, then plug the regular USB side of my flash drive into the dongle. And that way, even if you have older flash drives that don't have this micro USB adapter, you can still use them with your phone. And that was my files. And here go all the files that are on this flash drive. So this is pretty sturdy, comes in handy. It's built pretty well. It's not cheap at all. It's by Samsung. I bought this at Best Buy. I believe I picked it up for $19.99, and it comes in handy. These are our options that we had to get used to going to phones that do not have USB, micro USB slots. So we had to add, find ways to add storage so we can, still have our movies and things of that nature. We get both file devices or somewhere to put big files without taking up too much space on your device, because at the end of the day, we still want our devices to perform. So this is just another road you could take. Instead of just getting this micro USB flash drive, you can just get this adapter, this USB connector, so you can have some easy expandable storage for your device. This your man BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram, and this is the Samsung USB connector. This is my Note 5. I'm out. Follow, like, subscribe, man. Comment.